isa ka lang dyan sa Korea, at least kami dito, ilan kami. So, itong surprise namin sa'yo. Sana magustuhan mo.
Okay. Alright, Tito Edwin, we have a cake made specially for you by our chef here in Novotel, Chef Ramon. So, the
Hi.
best chef.
Happy birthday.
So, that's our uncle from Korea. So, he will be celebrating his birthday on November 2. Okay, so this is the cake. So, I hope you will like it. And birthday song for you, Kim. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. So, Chef, blow the candle for our uncle. Yeah, happy birthday, Teddy! The best! Thank you, I love you. Be strong dyan sa Korea.
Stop na siya.
Oh, tapos na. Okay, thank
Okay,
you.
thank you.
Bibi naman doon ka lang nag-stop.